Hi everyone, this is Joseph from VRS Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Yes, I have more cases for your Galaxy S10 Plus. I want to shout out VRS Design for sending these 3 cases out to me for a review. They sent me out their credit card case, then they sent me 2 clear cases, one with a black bumper, the other one with a clear one. Look at that design. We'll get into these 2 cases coming up. I'm gonna start with the wallet case. You already know how I like to review cases on my channel. We'll see if it fits well. We'll see if everything lines up. Then we will see if it can power charge your other devices, and then also wireless charge too. But let's get into this video. Nice little presentation from them. Bam, if you want to pause that, you can definitely do so. But they have a case for the case. This is really nice. Alright, so let's look at this case first. Bam, so it has grip on the sides. I don't know if y'all can see that. Nice material. Bam, let's see if this bad boy fits. Do you get any type of lip action? You get a little bit. I wouldn't slam my display down, but you can place it down and not worry about it hitting that beautiful display. Camera hump, you do get some, but this gives you the protection. Look, you do get a little branding up there. The cutouts line up perfect. The microphone also too, bam. The power button works great. Let's see how the vine rockers work. I don't know what that was. The vine rockers definitely work. Bixby button, that works too. Bam. It feels good in the hands, it's not too bad. Let's see if credit cards actually fit in here. They state you can fit 2 credit cards in here. That's pretty easy. And then they also state 1-hand use. No problem at all. Let's put that bad boy back in there. Bam. Look at that foam. Next thing we want to test out, see how it fits. It fits snug, not too bad. A little loose at the bottom, but it goes back. The size fits really good. Now I want to see if you can wireless charge with the credit cards in. Let's see how that works out. So yes, you can wireless charge with the credit cards in there. I don't recommend doing that, but if you forget, you can definitely do so. Next thing we want to test out is the power share. I'm going to remove the credit cards for that. I don't trust it. But let's see if you can power share with the case on. I am hitting the home button and Bixby all the time. So that is on. I have my daughter's iPhone. Let's see if you can power share. Yes, you can. Bam, look at that. It is charging the phone with the case on there, which is pretty cool. I didn't think you would be able to do that, but you can. All right, next we're going to do the clear with the black bumper. Bam, it says drop tested guaranteed. Same nice case. Like I said, it's a case for your case. So if you pick this up, you can leave this case and put it back if you want to. But let's check out this case. Man, look at this case. It has little ridges here for grip, even at the top, the bottom too. Then it has this silver outline. Man, that looks nice. This is going to show off the beauty of your phone too. Oh, it fits snug too. Lip action, you do get some. You do have some on the top and bottom. The size, not so much, but the top and bottom, you definitely do. The camera hump, yes, you get some. Bam. The cutouts line up perfect. Bam, at the bottom. The microphone at the top. Let's see, power button works. The vine rockers definitely work. Again, the Bixby button works great. This one really feels good too. It has that extra grip. Bam. Now let's see if it fits well. Yeah, not too bad. The size fit great. Bam. Next thing we want to check out, will it wireless charge? Before I even put it on there, I'm going to say yes. I don't see a problem with this case. As you can tell, it is wireless charging with no problems. Also, let's see if you can power share, which again, I don't think we will have a problem, but let's test it out. As you can tell, it definitely do. Shout out to Scooby, my dog. So I'm gonna move on to the clear one. That one, I probably won't test out the wireless charging because it's the same case, but I just wanna see how it looks on the phone. So you get the same type of packaging. It has the same type of lines on the bottom all the way around. It's the same case except for this one's clear. Bam, look at that. Same type of lip action and the camera hump. I forgot to mention this is a hard plastic on the back, but it shows off the beauty of your phone. Look at that line down here, looks great. Yes, everything lines up. Bam. Just for the test, yes, the power button works. Volume rockers definitely work. Bisbee going crazy. Yes, Bisbee works too. Bam. So if you want to pick up this clear case or this one, or if you like the credit card case, I will have the links in the description. So if you want to pick up either one or all three of them, you can definitely do so. Which one of these three is your favorite case? Let me know in the comments. Let's get a discussion going. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S10 Plus. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.